In this video, I will show you how to use one-handed mode, access your device with just a thumb on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, scroll down and click on System Controls and click on One-Handed Mode. If you want to use one-handed mode, access your device with just a thumb. So turn on this button, click on Got It, and you will see use one-handed mode from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.